Hi everyone, want to level up your StarryAI artwork? It all starts with our writing better prompts. In this video, I'll walk you through how to craft creative, powerful prompts that get stunning results every time. Let's jump in. First, all you need to do is to be descriptive and not vogue. Instead of typing something generic like a simple dragon, you can try to be descriptive, like a fierce red dragon soaring above a snow covered mountains at sunset, ultra realistic cinematic lighting. With these example prompts here, you can now show that it is descriptive, and the more descriptive you are, the better the result because the AI better understand your vision. And also, you can use style and mood keywords. You can use art style like watercolor, cyberpunk, abstract, oil painting, and more. And for the mood or tone, you can set it to dreamy, dark, vibrant, or serene. And for your reference artists and movements, the Starry AI can mimic known styles. They try to include names like those famous artists and names. And then here you can use the negative prompts to avoid mistakes. Tired of a weird hands or blurry faces? Use a negative prompt. This is where you tell the AI what to avoid and experiment with the composition. Mention the elements like the background, the symmetry, the lighting, and more. And tweak and remix. Don't settle for the first result. And the bonus tip is that you can now use the prompt AI tools like a ChatGPT to generate prompt ideas. Here is the example prompt. And that's it. The creativity starts with words. So master your prompts and your story AI art will shine. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and drop your best prompt in comments. Thanks for watching.